everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your online gaming studio. So if you're also running an online gaming studio and want to send your customers the information regarding the upcoming game packages and festive offers, you are in the right place. So in this video I will show you the step-by-step process of how you can create a powerful broadcasting system for your online gaming studio business, and you can send broadcast message to number of customers on a specific date and time. And firstly, in this video we are going to create a message template. Now on the next step we are going to create the broadcast, and at last we are going to send the scheduled message on that specific date or time. So if you also want to enhance your customers experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own broadcast WhatsApp message. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I am going to show you how to broadcast WhatsApp message for online gaming studio business. So we are going to use this broadcast to announce new games, promote tournaments, and provide discount or offers to our players, and engage inactive players with special offers. So here you can see this is the broadcast I have created. So you can also create a WhatsApp broadcast like this for enhancing your business. So you can broadcast WhatsApp messages like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. But firstly, I am going to show you how exactly this WhatsApp broadcast is working. For that, I am going to enter my username and enter my mobile number. Then I am going to send a test message to check whether I am receiving the broadcast message or not, or whether it's correct or not. So here I have entered my username and mobile number. Now I am going to just click over the send test message, and then we will move to my WhatsApp to check whether we are receiving this broadcast message or not. So now let's click over the send test message, and here you can see we are getting the pop-up that is test broadcast sent. So now let's move on to my WhatsApp and check whether we are receiving this message or not. So here in my WhatsApp you can see I'm successfully receiving the broadcast message which I have created through my Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also send broadcast message to a number of customers on a specific date and time. So here you can see I have broadcasted this message using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But before moving forward, I am going to tell you about an amazing platform of Pabbly, that is Pabbly Community. So here you can see we have landed to the page of Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owner and marketers gather to share their ideas, ask questions, and discover the latest features and tips for using Pabbly automation. So you can also join Pabbly Community and share your workflows and get the real-time update. So join Pabbly Community now. And if you want to join Pabbly Community, you can find the link in the description given below. Now let's move on to our Pabbly Chatflow, and now I am going to just click over the sign in, and as I have already an account on Pabbly. Now here you can see we have landed to the all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you can see we are getting the option for Pabbly Chatflow app. Now you just have to click on access now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow app. And once you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these features, and these features are inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, which we are going to schedule now, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. And if you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. And as we are going to broadcast the message, we will simply click over this broadcast over the sidebar, and once you will click on broadcast, you will get this broadcast page, and here you can see these are the broadcasts I have created. Now I am going to tell you how you can create your own broadcast from scratch. For that, you just have to click on this add broadcast button, and as you will click on add broadcast button, you will get this WhatsApp broadcast page, which will help you to easily send WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts through broadcast, which is perfect for announcement, promotions, or timely updates. Now on this WhatsApp broadcast, you can see it is asking me to select the broadcast type. So here I am going to select the broadcast campaign over here, and if you are using the API, you can also select the API campaign over here. Now further we are getting the option for entering the broadcast name. So now let's provide a name to our broadcast here. So here you can see I'm providing the name, that is Online Gaming Studio. Now further here we are getting the option for select the contact list. So here you can see these are the contact list I have created for my account. You can also create your own contact list. For that you just have to go to contacts on the sidebar, and once you will click on contacts you will get this contacts page. So here you can see these are the contacts I have added to my account, and here you can see these are the list I have created. Now you can also create your own contact list. For that you just have to click on this add new contact list button, and as you will click on this add new contact list button you will get this page for adding the contact list. Now here it is asking me to enter the contact list name. So now let's provide a contact list name over here. So here I have provided the contact list name as my customers. Now further we are getting the option for add tag. So if you want to select specific contact in the list of contacts, you can add tag for that. Now for getting the tag you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for tag. So just select it and create your own tags. So here you can see I'm having a tag name my customer, so I have selected it over here. Now we are getting the option for opted status, that is opt in, and we are getting the option that is incoming status, that is allowed. Now we just have to click on this add button and our contact list will be created. And here you can see I have already created my contact list named as my customer, so I am going to select it over the broadcast. So here in my broadcast page you can see I am going to select this contact list, that is my customers. Now further we are getting the option for pre-approved template message and regular message. So if you want to send a regular message to your customers you can select the regular message over here, and now we are getting the option for selecting the regular message type. So here you can select the type of the regular message. Now further we are getting the option for entering the message. So here you can enter the message you want to send to your customers, but I am going to send a pre-approved template message for my customers providing the offers and upcoming game details. So here I am going to select this pre-approved template message. Now it is asking me to select the WhatsApp template. So here you can see these are the templates I have created. You can also create your own templates. For that you just have to go to templates, and here you can click on this templates list and create your own templates. So as you will click on templates list you will get this templates page, and here you can create your own templates. Now for creating your own template you just have to click on this add template button. So as you will click on add new template button you will get this new template page, and here you can see we are getting the option for selecting the template category. So here I am going to select my template category as marketing, as I am going to send messages for my online gaming studio regarding the offer. Now here we are getting the option for providing the template name. So here you have to remember one point, that name can only be in lowercase, alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. So now we have to provide the template name in lowercase. So now let's provide the name here. Here I am providing the name, that is Gaming Studio Offer. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the language. So now I am going to select the language as English over here. So here I have selected my language. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the template type. So here you can see we are getting many options such as text, image, video, document, location, carousel, limited time offer and catalog. Now I am going to select the text over here, as I am going to send an offer message. Now further we are getting the option for providing the template header. So if you want to provide a template header you can provide it over here. Now further we are getting the option for providing the template format. So here we have to enter the message we want to send to our customers. So now let's enter the template format over here. So here you can see this is the template format I have created, and you can also see the preview of this template on your right side. Now further we are getting the option for providing the template footer. So if you want to provide a template footer you can provide it over here. Now further we are getting the option for interactive actions. Now if you want to provide interactive actions such as call to action and quick replies you can provide it over here, but I am going to keep it as none. Now you just have to click on this submit button and your template will be created. And here you can see our gaming studio offers template is created. Now let's move on to our broadcast and select this template over there. Now here I am going to select my WhatsApp template as gaming studio offers, and here we have received this template. Now further we are getting the option for sending the test message. So here you have to enter your username and mobile number, and after that you can send a test message for checking whether you are receiving a correct broadcast message or not. Now we are getting the option for schedule broadcast. So if you want to send your broadcast instantly you can select no send instantly over here, but I am going to schedule my broadcast for some other date or time. So I am going to select yes schedule for later, and here we are getting the option for selecting date and time. So here you can provide your date and time and schedule your broadcast. Now I am going to show you the real working of this broadcast by sending a test message. So here you can see I have entered my username and the mobile number. Now I am going to just click over this send test message, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up that is test broadcast sent. Now let's move on to my WhatsApp and check whether we are receiving this broadcast message or not. So here you can see in my WhatsApp I am successfully receiving this broadcast message. Now in this broadcast you just have to click on this add broadcast button and your broadcast will be added. Now here you can see our broadcast is scheduled for that specific date and time. So you can also create a broadcast WhatsApp message like this for sending offers and upcoming arrival details to your customers by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more broadcast WhatsApp messages like this. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.